when you think about needlepoint, you gotta think about fun, because designs like this are so much fun. Wish you could see it in person. It's got so much texture and dimension, and it's full of cryonic threads. I love it. So I'm here with Janeann, who designed the stitch guide for it. Whose canvas is it?
It's Mile High Princess, and it's with the Artist Collection.
And it's a small canvas, maybe 5 by 5, something like that.
A little bit larger. I think it's about 6 by 7.
So it wouldn't take years to do. It's easily doable. But I fell in love with it, not just for the theme. I love Christmas, but look at this background stitch. What is the stitch?
It's a centered diagonal plaid. And that is one that you actually start stitching it from the center, and you work along diagonal lines going from left to right, and then you're coming back from right to left to form the pattern in a running stitch.
And which thread did you use to do that?
I used a spool of cryonic white, a spool of cryonic, and they're both number 8 in blue, and then I used Splendor from Rainbow Galleries and alternated them.
This canvas comes with a stitch guide?
It does.
It does. Perfect. That's really a fun canvas. I love it, but the background is really eye-catching. What a great idea.